In another unprecedented move, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte met with anti-government rallyists right after delivering his second State of the Nation address. More of the details from Jervis Manahan.
Immediately after delivering his 2-hour speech, President Duterte braved the rain and faced the militants, which at the time were still doing their people's sauna. The gesture was unexpected, and the protesters were seemingly surprised to see the president on their stage. In a brief dialogue, the chief executive warned the militants to not further damage his relationship with the leftists.
Kailangan ka na ng tahimik, magrespetuhan tayo, huwag na niyo akong iambos. Hindi naman kayo lahat pwedeng pagpagkamatay. Kung gusto talaga ninyo, punta kayo lahat sa bukid.
As a response, the militants chanted asking the president to resume the peace talks. Earlier in the day, the president said in his sauna that he will not further talk with the National Democratic Front. In his press conference, he categorically said that he is ending the peace talks. This angered the militants as they have already pinned their hopes that this administration could end the fight between the government and the CPP-NPA. Just last year, their hopes were high as the president was so receptive in pursuing the talks. But things went rough on the administration's first year, as both sides reached a stalemate when NDF demanded that political prisoners be released. Recently, NPA has also attacked some government forces.
Sibilyo number 1 left yan. Yan ang gumagawa ng Indo. Hindi ninyo alam. Wala pa kayo sa panahon namin eh. Yan ang hindi nyo alam. Gusto niyo alam ninyo lahat. Mas marunong kayo kay Bello, katag-veterano yan dyan.
The militants also asked the president to end contractualization in the country. President Duterte said that he respects their sentiments as long as they are underpinned by respect. The militants eventually dispersed because of the rain. On the other side of the fence, supporters of President Duterte cheered after his speech. They said they believe in the resolve of the president to solve issues like drugs and transportation problems.
Inspirational talk niya, mga encouraging words, at yung mga nagawa niya nitong past few days.
Naniniwala ako lahat yun ay magagawa niya, lalo yung mga nakita natin, mga nagagawa niyang karsada, yung mga PNR, na matutupad yun lahat ng mga nasasabi niya kung tutulungan natin siya at susuportahan.
Ang pinakatumatak sa akin ay yung sinasabi na kontra droga, anti-drug, yung pagsugpo sa droga na naway matapos na po ang laban natin sa droga.
This is the first time militants from both sides got really close to the Batasan, where the annual State of the Nation address is traditionally held. Jervis Manahan for The Nation.